Come on, Basher. It's time to go to work. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look. Here, rubber band. Come for the rubber band. Come for the rubber band. We got cars to fix. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. You're so close. You're so close. You're almost out from under the seat where I can grab you. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go for the rubber band. It's over there today. It's over there. Come on. Come on. Oh. So close. You little shit. Get your butt out here. There it is. Oh. You're so close. You're so close. You're so close. Come on. There it is. Oh, there's the rubber band. Oh my God. You're almost in grabby land. You're almost in grabby land. The Basher emerges reluctantly from his hidey hole under the car seat for another day of work. Smile. He's not gonna smile. There he is. But he's out of the car. Good job, boy.